Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I show you how to do it yourself, or you can reach out to me and I'll do it for you. This is a KitchenaidWhirlpool or Kenmore dishwasher, not draining. If you have this pump, this is how you do it. It's the easiest way. We're not going to install the dishwasher, flip it upside down or anything. We're going to do it while it's installed. This one's not draining, so the first thing I do is turn the power off, and the next thing I do is get all that disgusting water out. Once you get the water out and you confirm that this is the same pump it takes, this is how you do it. Those vertical little pins there, you turn them horizontal, you pull them out, release that kick plate. There's the pump right there. Now, with the power off to the unit circuit breaker, you want to make sure you push that pin up and pull out that plug. That pin will retain it in place, so you want to push it up and pull it out. Now, we're going to change this pump, but you may want to just do this before you get a replacement pump, because it might just be clogged or there might be something stuck in the pump. This is going to be removal of the pump, and now the pump has this tab on it. I took the new pump to show you the tab. This is a locking tab. If you twist this pump without pushing that tab down, you're going to break the dishwasher itself, and then you'll need a new sump. So make sure you put something under to catch a little bit of water. Now this little clip there holds in a brown wire, so you want to release that wire from there and let it hang so that when you twist, it doesn't pull the wire. Before we do that, we take this wire that we unplugged and we're going to tuck it up and away, because water will come out. So basically now the motion we're going to make is with one finger, we're going to grab that locking tab, push it down, and then we're going to twist. And you don't want to wet the wires. So now with one finger, press the locking tab down, and you're going to twist counterclockwise. As you twist it, it releases from the locking tabs all around, and then you're going to pull it out. You'll feel it come loose and pull it out. There will be some water coming out, so you want a napkin down there and make sure that the circuit breaker is off. So now we're going to push the tab down, rotate it counterclockwise, and then pull it out. So now this is why this pump wasn't working. There was a piece of glass wedged into the propeller right there, and all we had to do was take it out. Now this pump went bad because they were trying to use it for like a month like this, and it just didn't work, so it burnt out the pump. But in most cases you could reinstall this pump right away and it'll probably work again, and this will save you some money. These pumps are on Amazon, pretty inexpensive, but you get what you pay for. That pump on Amazon is pretty crappy, but it worked in this case. We had no time, and the customer had the pump already. They just wanted me to install it. Now what you do is, I like to wipe that hole that we saw in there with all that muck. Wipe it clean, make sure there's no more debris in there. We're going to push the pump in and make sure it clicks. You push it in, the gasket should be in place, then it clicks. Now before you run this dishwasher, pour some water into it, like a cup, and see if it drips out the bottom. If it does, you may be missing a gasket, or you may have two gaskets in there, or something might be in the way, or you didn't lock it in place right. Once you confirm there's no leaks, what you're going to do is plug in that wire, make sure it clicks and it's snug. After that, make sure you tuck away all the wires, and then you're going to fill up that sump. I like to put a couple cups of water, then I restore the power and hold down cancel drain. When you hold down cancel drain, it's going to push the water out. Now if the water is still not draining, what you have to do is go under your sink, disconnect the hose for the drain, put that into a bucket, and then hold down cancel. If the water pumps out into the bucket, but not while it's connected to the sink, that means you have a problem with the sink, and the plumbing for the sink is clogged. The most important thing you can't forget to do is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Any questions? I'm usually pretty responsive. Just let me know how it went, and if you have any concerns or questions, let me know. If you live in the New York City area, reach out to me. I do house calls, and I'm able to fix a wide array of appliances, high end, low end, anything you got. Just give me a call or email me.